It's funny how everyone tells you when you know, you know. And I never understood that until I met you and knew.
Brian and Amanda's story started about 2.5 years ago.
Amanda first saw Brian while she was walking her golden doodle Jasper around her apartment complex.
These two met while they were walking their dogs, and they knew right away that there was something special brewing.
You are the man of my dreams, and I could not be more thankful that our dogs wanted to say hi to each other back in July 2020.
She told me she met the one. He plays hockey. He has long, beautiful hair, maybe a man bun, I don't know. He loves dogs. Oh, and he works at Ralph Lauren.
I cherish the way you make me feel. So deeply loved and cared for every single day.
It is everything the way you look at Amanda, and the fact that I've never seen her as happy or carefree as I have the past few years she's spent with you.
I also want to thank Linda and Scott. I can see by the way Brian treats my little girl, you raised him to be the perfect gentleman. Marriage marks an exciting new beginning, one that we are overjoyed to witness in our family.
You look really nice.
It's starting to feel real.
Amanda, from the day you captured my heart as a tiny newborn to today as I walked you down the aisle, I have always felt grateful that you are my daughter.
I love how nice of a person you are. You're patient and understanding with me. You're caring and supportive, and you make me proud every day. I promise I'll always be there to support you through all of the challenges we will face. I give you this ring as a sign of my love.
I give you this ring as a sign of my love.
I am proud that my daughter has grown into an amazing woman and that she met a man just as amazing.
I look forward to the future with you by my side and cannot wait to start a family of our own someday.
And on that note, let's raise our glasses for the new Mr. and Mrs. McQuillan.
May your lives be filled with love and laughter, and your journey together leave a trail of happy memories.
Congratulations, you hit the jackpot.
Go forth and live each day to the fullest. You may now kiss the bride.